Namaskar friends, happy 2022. I hope everyone is keeping fine, keeping safe. To kickstart the video, I just want to say that my friends and I are neither great cooks nor great artists, but we love food and we all love good company. We are all travelers. We love to travel. Perhaps the riverbanks and the countrysides have always been the greatest escapes from the monotonous and moribund town life. This time, we decided to head towards Dimow, a village in Dhemaji district in my state of Assam, as a part of the New Year outing. Besides my elders, Deep and Prosen from the brother, we were joined by my bro buddy Bikram and his friends. The winter sun goes down quite early, and it was already 2:30 in the afternoon when we arrived at our destination. Nevertheless, the simple thatched houses, the wind, and the sun drying up the clothes hung onto the string outside, little kids busy in their own little walls, and the birds on the rooftops all seemed to echo the beauty of simple pleasures of life. We geared off with some tea without milk, that is, lal chai, or lalsa, as we say in Assamese. We had bought a big fat hen on our way, and the next thing on the agenda was the Murgi Bod Obhizan. I mean, the hen butchering mission. And it was done. The mongo, or the meat, was washed properly to get going with our roasting business. Okay, prior to that, a little bit of greasing up, although with a minimal amount of oil. We had used sunflower oil, known to have a number of health benefits. Needless to say, Indians do use a plethora of spices or masalas. Howbeit, we tried to keep it simple. Just a few things: salt to taste, freshly ground black pepper, ginger-garlic-clove paste, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and chili powder. And then a good hand whirlpool action to coat the meat well with spices. It was kept as such for around 15 to 20 minutes to facilitate the soaking in of the spices. Generally, slender bamboo skewers or sticks called khorikas are used for roasting fish or meat pieces in my home. However, in our case, we had used thick skewers to thread the meat chunks onto them. Oh, by the way, we forgot to thread some vegetables. You may do so. Small tomatoes are a great option. By the way, that's me in the lower right panel as a proud Khorikat owner. The evening approached silently. It was the time to roast the meat. On temporary bamboo scaffolds, we had placed the meat-loaded skewers and underneath them the fire. The flame was kept on medium level. Periodic axial rotation of the skewers ensured that the meat pieces were roasted evenly. With gradual surface color change observed on the meat pieces, a typical aroma of pura maangsho, or roasted meat, started filling up the ambience. Our taste buds got real enticed. I am 101% sure you too are excited to taste them, right? Do join us next time. We'll surely feast upon something great. For the time being, we have to do something more. And that is, we need to squeeze a lemon to lift up the taste of the roasted meat pieces to a totally different level. The roasted chicken meat, that is Khorikat pura kukurar maangsho, and the bonfire created a perfect winter evening. Dear friends, We'll surely meet again. Happy New Year. Eat well, travel often.